Alright y'all, today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean your meat. Today I'm going to be cleaning some ribs that I got at Winn-Dixie. You know why I'm so mad? I just realized that I was buy one get one. Like just now. I could have had two of these. But anyways, I'm going to clean this today, alright? You want to rip this open however you want. I'm going to put it in this strainer. I'm going to rinse it out first. Make sure your hands are clean, people. You're gonna need a pot of water. Put that up on high. Let that boil for a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this into two. Just like that. And then you're gonna rub the lime into your meat.
You're gonna squeeze while you're rubbing it in.
Transferring everything from this strainer to this bowl. That way I can put in my vinegar and my salt and let it all sit in there. So I'm gonna use this to squeeze in there. And I'm gonna leave it in. Add some salt into my lime water. Now I'm gonna put my ribs into this pot. Okay, so I dropped the pot of my boiling lemon water with salt, and I'm just gonna dump it onto my ribs like that and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna use a spoon to stir it up a little bit and just let it sit for a little while. And that's how you clean your meat, people. So get into it with cleaning your meat before you eat it, alright? So now I'm gonna strain the water out. Okay, now that my meat is clean, I'm just gonna place it back into my bowl. Because now I'm gonna marinate it for a few hours and let it sit in the fridge. So let me do this real first. I'm gonna use my berry delicious seasoning made with some fresh vegetables and some spices. And I'm just gonna rub that in. And like I said, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and let it sit for a few hours and let that marinate, soak in.